Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is day 38 of our Binance challenge. So our Binance MXC and 3 Commerce challenge. So we will go over to those accounts to see to have an add up, to see how we're getting on. So if you guys wouldn't mind quickly smashing that like button, we'll whiz over there and have a look at what is going on. So let's add it up first. Let's add up what is going on. Obviously, as you guys know, KSM, Kasama and Polkadot are two of my favorite coins and largest holdings, and they have obviously had a little bit of a move recently. So that has obviously helped these accounts quite a bit. So we will add up how we're getting on. So 1.219 plus over to Binance. Binance picked up a little bit as well. So that, yeah, that's good. Binance alts are definitely the laggards as we know. But they are obviously the maybe not so high risk ones. So it is what it is in that respect. So yeah, we've got this, and if we minus 0.638 that we added, we are on, so just basically 70% again. So so we basically made 0.697 Bitcoin. So yeah, nearly 70% of the target to 1 Bitcoin. So yeah, quite pleased, definitely quite pleased about that. So yeah, as you can see on MXC, what we're holding at the moment, we've got a bit of tether, so we must have taken some profits somewhere. We have got still quite a bit of dot. This edgeware position, edgeware just seems to be keep going down at the moment, which is not ideal. Kusama and then Anchor. We've been building that position Anchor. And then a bit of BZRX, a bit of Thorchain, a bit of XOR, which also is starting to make a move, and a bit of Ring, which is also starting to make a little bit of a move today. So we will have a look. Yeah, you can see up 16%. I mean, I think if we can get up through here, we might be looking all right. As you can see, I was buying in around the 60s, basically around the 60s. Prior to that, I was I had orders in, so I don't think I got filled. So realistically the 60s. So yeah, I'm looking for about 80s for this. So yeah, if we have a look over at XOR, looking like we're starting to get some volume come back in this market. I mean, this market just doesn't seem to really trade much after its initial move up. There was quite a bit of volume here, as you can see, but yeah, I mean, now it's dropped off, like completely dropped off a cliff. You can see the volume that was traded in this market, and now it's like no one trades here anymore. So I've obviously still got a position in here, and I've got quite a large position as well in other accounts. Hopefully we get some sort of a move up, maybe a move up to 100 or so. Get me out of my position and make me a fair few old thousand. Yeah, that's about it really. So basically we'll call that 70%, 0.7 Bitcoin up. Actually, we'll have a look at some of the Binance salts. I say they've been doing well. Obviously today, a few of these are down a little bit. I haven't really done much trading Binance alts in this account, but I have been buying more RLC today. When it was actually down, it was down earlier. This was. Yeah, you can see we had a bit of a spike up, but yeah, I was buying this in the 1.4s. So nice to see that moving up. Also, I was buying some Ren today. I was buying Ren around here. Also, was buying some Lend, some RV Lend. I was buying this around here. What else did I buy? Yeah, I bought some Carver too. Bought some Carver down here, and I believe I did buy SPX and Band also. Bought some SPX down here and Band. They were just all the ones that were looking a bit depressed, to say the least. I didn't buy any synthetics though, and I may have a look into that because I do like synthetics. But yeah, so they are looking interesting. Link looks like it's going on a bit of a wild ride here. It was up and down, and I mean, we can see what it's doing here. I mean, it looks like a buy. When I say it looks like a buy, I'm working on the assumption that the pullback looks healthy, and I think these coins will go higher. So that's kind of like the backdrop of my comments. So yeah, so really pleased with the Binance so far. Just 0.3 to go to get to that whole Bitcoin. Come on, we can do it, guys. So yeah, thanks for listening. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on this evening.